All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man, Jay Will. So yes, you can get the Galaxy Note 8 for $350. Yes, and it's no trickery or anything like that. This isn't clickbait. So if you go into the web here and you're shopping for this phone, if you go down to shop and you click on the Galaxy Note 8, you'll see that you get some trade-in options. And this isn't a sponsored video. I kept getting this pop-up for the application. I thought I'll just go ahead and share this for those that are in the market for the Galaxy Note 8. And this is my Galaxy Note 8. So if you hit get started here, you'll see the 750 is for the T-Mobile version. So keep that in mind. If you get any other version, the price will go up. So you can get for as low as $350. So if you see here for the trade-in, they're giving you $300 for the trade-in. And so you'll go ahead and select trade-in. And then they're giving away some free Icon X's now, which is really cool. I think that's a better deal than those other headphones. So I add this to my cart, and it's $450. And you say, Jay, I thought you said $450 or $350. So here we go. Switch over to the application and shop, and they're giving you an additional $100 off of your purchases. So with the trade-in, so here's that same $750. Let's go ahead and go to the trade-ins, and as you can see there, $400 for the trade-in now. $350, $250, and so on. So you'd go ahead and select that, and then you choose your T-Mobile version. And as you can see here, I got my Icon X is free there, 2018 edition. Let's skip this. Let's skip this. Let's add it to the cart. $350. Now, this isn't. Now, the question you might ask is, Jay, why in the world would I give up my phone for that price? And I'm going back to this now. The catch is that the phones that they want you to trade in are actually pretty good phones. I mean, an iPhone 8, an 8 Plus, a Pixel 2, a Pixel 2 XL. I don't know that I would do that, but what I would do is get an additional $50 because you can get a Galaxy S7 for about $250 right now. So which means that you can get go ahead and buy that for $250, turn it into them, get $350 off of here. Get your Icon X's, boom, you're done. And you got the phone for $400 on the T-Mobile version. Or if you decide to go with the unlocked version or whatever other version that you want to get, you could definitely choose to trade that in. So if you go with the $350 for Galaxy S7, you go to the unlock, it comes to $600 and so on. And then you can choose that deep sea blue. Get your headphones, and you got all of this for $600. So just a quick video for people that are in the market for a Galaxy Note 8. If you do want to trade in something, I would say trade in the Galaxy S7 or S7 Active, and you can, or S7 Edge or Active, any of those Galaxy devices, you can get $350 off for trade-in by using the application. So I think that's a much better deal than doing it through the web browser. And there it is. It's your man Jay Will. I'll see you guys in the next video. Quick video. Shout out to the Galaxy Note crew. All day long, baby. This phone is just... Take care, guys.